to the crisp, so I'm just gonna leave them in there because I'm not gonna eat them. I'm just gonna finish my food so I don't have a hangover, you know. We're gonna.
They're like, what we got in here?
They literally will only eat when my mom's home. They will not eat until my mom gets home. As soon as my mom walked into the door from work, they both went straight to the dog food. When she left, nothing. They probably touched it like once or twice.
Yeah. That's how Charlie acts when I'm not home too. Like when I went to LA, my brother had him at the apartment. He's like, your dog won't eat. I'm like, oh, he don't eat when I'm not. If I'm gone for a while, he eventually will eat, but the first day or two, he won't eat his food.
I just some good bitch don't eat starve. I don't give a fuck. Shit, mom was sleeping already, so.
Yeah, my dog is very dramatic when I'm not around. You saw when I went outside that day. Like,
Don't do that to that dog. That dog is so damn cute. That dog has done nothing to you.
I'm just saying, he's dramatic. Like, if I'm not around, he freaks out. Yes, he is. You saw him when I went out the house that day to fix my car. How he acted when I went out the door.
Oh, you're way over dramatic.
No, you seen the scene in the picture I sent you when I came home that day.
Wow.
Like,
I don't know what picture you're talking about.
oh, really?
There's so many pictures that you sent me.
Anyway. Now we got amnesia. Okay.
Amnesia? That's crazy. Not. Wasn't here. Oh, you so damn lucky to stick your back.
Am I?
Yeah.
Good.
Mario. But Miles is dark skin. Miles can say he knows what I was want to say.
Oh. Me and Miles got to refill to the same spot.
Yeah, because I can't say it.
Hold on, wait, what?
He's gonna call me a nigga.
I already know that's what he wanted to say.
Not you, fucking. I want Miles to say it for me, damn it.
Oh, my bad. Take it away, Miles.
So which version? My version or yours?
Yours, because you say it. Because you like sing, you can sing that shit.
Nigga.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god,
Now he turned into a him.
oh my god.
What you mean?